And here's the finished product.
What's up? What's up? This is Rico. Don't forget to show me some love. Hit the like, share, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell. Yeah.
Welcome guys. So today I'm inside the kitchen and I'm gonna be frying up for you a long time favorite of mine, ripe banana fritters. Now growing up in Jamaica as a child, this was absolutely one of my favorite dishes and I adore it every time they'll make it. It's just so sweet and sumptuous and delicious, and today I'm gonna be preparing that for you guys. I'm gonna use approximately 3 ripe bananas. I ensure they're ripe to perfection, right? The more ripe, then the more sweetness. Alright? Just cut these. Just put them inside the bowl here. So here's your 3 ripe bananas. You want to take a fork and start crushing them. You want to crush it as much until this thing becomes sort of semi-solid, or in a watery state. The next thing you want to do is add a pinch of salt. Not too much salt. Salt is just to enhance the flavors, because you have all this sweetness. The salt will just bring out the flavors more. And then I'm gonna put a pinch of ground cinnamon, just a pinch. You can put more if you want. My grandmother always said too much cinnamon or nutmeg actually can be toxic to your blood. And she's not a doctor, I'm not a doctor, but my grandma is always right. Okay, then I'm gonna put a pinch of ground nutmeg. I say a pinch, I put more than a pinch still. 1 or 2. I can smell that aroma coming from the cinnamon and the nutmeg right now. Such pleasant fragrance. And see, it start to become more watery. Next, this is my vanilla extract. I'm gonna put approximately a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Most people use dark brown sugar, like cane sugar. Growing up, that's what grandma used. She'd use the cane sugar, but this is Rico's way, Rico's style. I replace cane sugar with honey. For 2 reasons, I don't really use sugar much. Honey is actually my sweetener. And the second reason, I just like how the honey blends into this mixture, because the honey is already in a liquid form, right? So it just mixes more easily. So 2 tablespoons of honey. Next thing, you want to add 1 cup flour. All right, pre-sieve all-purpose flour. I'll put in a little at a time and mix. A little more, mix. A little more. Just put everything, that's it. Slowly, I'm just gonna mix in everything with my spoon. Man, I can smell all the variety of spices and different fragrances. Alright, so there you go. It flows perfectly. This is what you want, a perfect flow. And you can do a little taste test just to ensure this is good. Next, I'm gonna get my oil for frying. I usually use grapeseed oil. It's my go-to oil, but you can use any type of vegetable oil. So my oil is pretty hot right now. I'm just gonna drop back this stove to around medium. Now you're just gonna take the spoon, spoonful at a time. That's 1, 2, 3, and just like that. I'm not going to force to fit all of them and overcrowd the pot. We have about 7, or maybe have another 4 inside here. So I'm just going to fry that 7. It won't fit everything. So I'm going to give it about maybe roughly 2 minutes per side. We'll see. You just want to fry it up till it's golden brown. That's how I like it. So they're almost ready to turn. You'll find out that the fritters in the center, they'll fry, change color faster than the ones at the end, because the temperature in the center of the pot is much hotter than at the corners. Alright, I'll just leave that for a bit. And that's the way I like to get mine real golden brown. I'm just in love with this golden brown color of my fritters, you know. In just a couple minutes and the first batch will be completed. So by doing that swirl, I distribute the oil temperature more evenly. See, they're getting more puffy now. You can tell they're almost ready. And here's the finished product. Alright, time for taste test. And this is just delicious golden brown. Darn delicious. You can taste that banana. You can taste the nutmeg, the vanilla extract, the cinnamon, and the honey. All the different tastes just perfectly blended together, and nothing is overpowering each other. I like that. It's just a culmination of flavors. You can hear that crispy bite because I made the outside a little crispy, but inside is still, you know, pretty moist. If you know anything about banana fritters, it's pretty moist, so it's not burnt or anything. And that one is for you. Take my bite now. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Alright guys, as always, stay true and stay tuned. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Subscribe. Yeah, man.